So Sam, I keep hearing about this thing called OpenClaw. 160,000 GitHub stars in a matter of weeks. What is going on?
Yeah, it's wild. OpenClaw is basically an open source AI agent, and not just a chatbot. This thing actually does stuff. It reads your emails, browses the web, manages your calendar, interacts with apps. It's being called the AI that actually does things.
Okay, that sounds awesome, but I'm guessing there's a catch.
A massive one. It's growing way faster than its security layer. Cisco's threat intelligence team found that skills on the ClawHub marketplace, think of them like plugins, can actually exfiltrate your data without you knowing. Palo Alto Networks called it a lethal trifecta of risks: access to private data, exposure to untrusted content, and the ability to communicate externally while retaining memory.
That's terrifying.
And it gets worse. Bitsight found over 135,000 OpenClaw instances that are just sitting there, exposed on the internet. No authentication, no firewall, nothing.
So is this just a ticking bomb, or is there an upside?
Both, actually. Where there's a gap, there's a product waiting to be built. Think about it. Security tools, sandboxing environments, compliance platforms, configuration management, monitoring dashboards. None of this exists yet for OpenClaw. The ecosystem is basically a blank canvas.
And there's a deadline looming too, right?
The EU AI Act Phase 2 kicks in August 2026. That's 6 months away. Any company deploying AI agents in Europe will need compliance tooling. That's not optional, it's legal.
Is anyone actually building in this space already?
Yeah, great example. There's a startup called AgentMail.to that launched in January 2025. They make mailboxes specifically designed for AI agents with upcoming features like read-only access, allow lists, block lists, agent self-sign-up. Their founder told me their demand has exploded because of OpenClaw. Most of their users are coming directly from the OpenClaw community.
So the email problem alone makes a startup explode.
Exactly. And email is just one of 8 major gap categories: security, compliance, authentication, admin tools, skills vetting, monitoring, deployment, all wide open.
So even if OpenClaw turns out to be a hype cycle,
The demand for personal AI assistants isn't going anywhere, and every one of them will need the same infrastructure: sandboxing, compliance, monitoring. Whoever builds that layer owns the market. OpenClaw might be the wave, but the ocean is AI agents, and it's only getting deeper.
love it. Check out myfuture.domains for the full infographic on the topic and the domains for your AI startup.
Let's go.